Thank you for this question. I think this is a very important milestone that has been set with the zero tariff policy. And this decision comes in a context where we see a long-term consistent view about trade finance between China and Africa for the last decades, since, as you may know, the level of trade globally with Africa has grown from around $10 to $350 billion over the 25 last years. So it's a very massive and consistent and regular growth that we see on the ground and that we support as a Pan-African banking, Pan-African institution, Attijariwafa Bank, which are present in 27 countries, and we strongly support trade finance thanks to our branches in those countries of presence. The zero tariff policy comes as a milestone to impulse a new trend in the level of trade and to open new opportunities for African economies, African SMEs, African companies to also export and import more and more freely with the Chinese market. But also it may be a new way also to enhance maybe a new level of industrialization and to enhance capabilities to really increase the level of competitiveness of Moroccan and African economies to benefit from this zero tariff policy, to maybe increase the competitiveness of their products and engage more in industrialization in many sectors, including agribusiness, textile, or whatsoever, thanks to this zero tariff policy. And it shows that we are always in a long-term vision that is put in place. And as a Pan-African institution, we share also this long-term vision when it comes to the potentialities of Africa and the need to really open the partners, the economies, and to promote free trade agreements that bring competitiveness to the economies. As a matter of illustration, Morocco has also set up free trade agreements with 55 countries around the world and is becoming now a hub for global investment and global trade, not only with the European, US, and Middle East markets, but also with the African markets. And that's why we see a wave of industrial investments for the last decades coming in Morocco in order to export globally, whether in the automotive sector, in the aeronautics sector, in the agribusiness sector, and thanks to the competitiveness that Morocco offers, not only as free trade agreements allows it, but also thanks to its connectivity and logistics, thanks to the Tangier port terminal container, which is the largest in Africa, thanks to its geostrategic proximity with Europe, and the connectivity and logistics. So it offers connectivity and global access to the markets. And we see also a wave of new industrial Chinese investments coming up in Morocco for the last years in many sectors, including automotive sector, vehicle batteries sectors, wind farms, textile, and other sectors, which reinforces the partnership and synergies between Chinese investors and Moroccan economy. And as a banking institution, we strongly support these investments that may bring added value both to Chinese companies and Moroccan ecosystem, and also promote trade with the world.